Want higher withdrawal limits and full access to BingX features? Completing KYC verification in 2026 only takes a few minutes and helps keep your account secure and compliant. Open the BingX app and sign into your account. Next, tap your profile icon and open Identity Verification, KYC, or Verification Center. Choose the verification level you want to complete and select your country or region. You'll then be asked to upload a valid government-issued ID such as a passport, driver's license, or national ID card. Make sure the photos are clear, well-lit, and all information is visible. Depending on your region, BingX may also require a selfie or facial verification step to confirm your identity. After submitting your documents, wait for the review process to finish. Verification times can vary from a few minutes to several days, depending on demand and your location. Once approved, you'll gain access to higher limits and additional platform features. And that's how you verify your BingX account in 2026. Completing KYC helps improve account security and unlock more features on the platform. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more BingX tutorials and crypto guides.